Hi, so I wanted to give you guys some help with our students that struggle generating their own sentences. A lot of the times, if I just tell them to write something down, they freeze and they get stuck. But they're really great at having discussions with me. So I'm going to give you an example of what that might look like, and I want to help you out by doing this correctly, and so we're not providing too much support, and we're actually getting their own thoughts onto the paper and not our thoughts. So, for example, we went through our reasonings as to why we think that pink is not just a color for girls. So, I have Madison helping us here to come up with another reason, and I'm going to pull a sentence out of her and help her with writing it. Now, I know she's a fourth grader, she's really good at writing, but she's going to pretend like it's difficult and that we're struggling.
Okay.
So, we're going to come over here. Another reason is so, Madison, why did you tell me that pink is not just a color for girls?
Because some girls don't like pink at all.
Do you like pink?
No.
Oh, so what are you? Are you a boy or a girl?
Girl.
Oh, okay. So you're a girl.
I don't like pink.
I'm. What are you?
I'm a girl, but I don't like pink.
But I don't like pink. So I just pulled her statement and I put it into a sentence for her. Now we're going to read this again. I'm a girl, but I don't like pink. Can you read that with me? I'm a girl, but I don't like pink. I'm going to help you with girl because I know that you struggle with your sounds. I'm a girl. So I will go through for my struggling spellers, and I'll go through and I'll write the difficult spelling sounds for them. Sometimes I would even do just partial words. So I'm a girl and I don't like pink. So let's say I know they're going to struggle with that ink sound, but I want them to get that beginning sound. So I'm going to do ink. And when they come to this, they're going to know that they need to put a sound there that they hear out of that word. So this is going to help them with their spelling and their phonetic awareness. So go ahead and write that in. Go ahead and write the whole sentence. Now, a lot of times the kids will get distracted. We know that we have a lot of kids that will start writing a sentence, look off to the side, come back, and forget what they were writing. So these lines are there to help us read our sentence without any words being there. So if she were to pause in the middle of the sentence and say, wait, what was this word? We'd go back to the beginning and we would read, I'm a girl, but and then she would be able to finish it because she knows the sentence that we previously spoke. If she doesn't, I'm going to give it to her. I'm going to say the sentence out loud because now we're not practicing generating a sentence, we're practicing our spelling. Once we're all done, we are going to close our thoughts. Now I'm going to go back, and this is our time because our students don't go over and rewrite their paragraph. This is our time to go through and edit any of their errors. Now I'm seeing here, and this is very common because this isn't a typical paper, that the P looks uppercase. And I want to go ahead and I want to edit that with them. So I'm going to say, hey, can we go ahead and make this a lowercase p? I want it to look like this. And then I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to give her the chance to go back there and do it again. Perfect. A lot of our students, I see especially their A's, they like to write capital A's, capital N's. If there is any capital letter within their sentence, have them fix it. Don't let them get through because then it becomes a really bad habit. So a lot of the times that's something that we're trying to fix, are those bad habits of keeping capitals in the middle of a sentence. I only want to keep a capital at the beginning and a punctuation at the end. And they also know that if there is somebody's name, that's also something that should be capitalized. And you can use those terms. This is a proper noun. This is someone's name. This is the name of a place. Remember, that's a proper noun. So go ahead and use those terms. I hope this was really helpful for you. This is a really great way of helping get those sentences out of those struggling writers, and it still remains their thought, and it isn't my opinion being pushed into them. Let me know if you guys have any questions about this, and thank you for watching.